Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So starting off, we will need to power off the phone, hold the power key, and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, which is indicated by the vibration, you can hold power key and volume up. So power key and volume up, both simultaneously. And keep holding them. And now we're in the recovery mode. So from here you can reboot the system, wipe data, wipe cache, and boot into the safe mode. And to do this, you can just simply click on the screen or use also volume keys and power button to confirm it. So I can just tap on reboot system now like so, and the device will now power back on into the normal Android. Okay, as you can see, now we're back in the Android system. So that is basically how you access the recovery mode and also leave it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.